If you were asked how well you feel on a scale of 1 to 10, where 1 is pain in the body and 10 is feeling healthy and joyful, what would you answer? Of course, it is an almost provocative and simplistic question when it comes to describing one's health. But the exercise is not completely stupid, because by thinking about it, you can do a quick check on yourself. Perhaps the question can give you reason to think that you have potential for improvement. As I see it, feeling healthy and fit is generally a combination of two things. The body is well functioning without tension and pain, and the mind is in balance and free from stress. There are, of course, many factors that come into play here, but when those two things are in place, we are at our best. This channel is about how you can actively introduce daily routines that provide a healthy body and a positive state of mind, as much as possible during the time we're awake. I'm Christopher Wolf. I am from Denmark. I share my years of experience with training, nutrition, coaching, psychology, and meditation. I've been exercising for quite a long time, approximately 40 years, including competitive swimming, fitness, martial arts, surfing, yoga, running, and mountain biking. I'm a trained chef, a nutrition specialist, a mindfulness teacher, and a certified coach. It is important for me to mention that I am by no means a person who always experiences perfect health or constant mental balance for that sake, not at all. Life certainly also presents me with challenges, and I certainly don't always manage them as smoothly and balanced as I could wish. But even in turbulent periods of life, I haven't completely lost my footing, at most out of balance for a period of time. In such times, my healthy routines such as steady exercise, good sleep, balanced diet, meditation definitely have played a vital role. So going back to the initial question at the beginning of the video, if you find yourself oscillating on the life satisfaction scale and you want to spend more time around 7, 8, or even 9 or 10, then my videos could be for you. We will delve into topics such as tips and recipes for healthy food, training programs and training exercises. You will learn about breathing techniques, mindful techniques. I will also talk about topics such as how to overcome challenges or how to find more flow in life. Everything based on my own experience. If you find this interesting, then leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and I really hope to see you again in one of my other videos.